Hello and welcome. My name is Tina, and I want to thank you for joining me for these affirmations to help you ground, stay calm, and enjoy the balance in nature. I will say the affirmation, and you can repeat it either out loud or to yourself. Let's begin. I am deeply rooted, steady, and supported by the earth. With each breath, I return to stillness and balance. Nature's calm flows through me, bringing peace to my body and mind. Like the trees, I stand strong, grounded, and connected. I release tension and allow the earth to hold me in safety. Stillness restores me. I am whole in this moment. Each inhale fills me with calm, and each exhale grounds me deeper. I trust the rhythms of nature to guide me into balance. I am anchored in the present, steady and serene. The earth beneath me offers unwavering support. I find peace in the quiet wisdom of stillness. I draw strength and calm from the grounding energy of nature. My body and mind are in harmony with the natural world. I feel centered, stable, and deeply at home in the now. The solid ground beneath me reminds me that I'm safe. Balance flows through me like the steady rhythm of the seasons. I release what does not serve me and root into peace. The earth's strength rises through me, bringing calm and clarity. In stillness, I discover my deepest grounding. I am one with the earth, balanced, calm, and whole. Enjoy your day. Namaste.